Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany and I have an unboxing video for you today. It is the story cards. I'm going to open this beautiful little parcel in a second by the lovely Kathy Nichols, who is an artist who I found on Instagram. I found a lot of decks on Instagram. So I'm very, very excited. So I got this beautiful little package in the mail. So let's open it up. Now, Kathy has another deck coming out soon. This is the story cards we're looking at. It's like wrapping a present. Well, unwrapping a present. So we got story cards. That's the box. Okay. And it says 70 hand-painted cards and instruction booklet. I already love that back because it looks like Athena. Alrighty. It's a beautiful business card. It's a little piece of artwork, which will go hanging up on the wall. And so it is shrink wrapped. So I'm going to have to open it up. And I'm going to go walk through all these cards so we can have a look at the beautiful artwork together. It says on here, Oracle cards to guide your way, tell your stories and inspire inner wisdom. Beautiful. So let's go have a look. Okay, so now we're going to go through the beautiful story cards by Kathy Nichols. I have removed the plastic from them because I had to use a letter opener to get the plastic off. Didn't want to have to use my teeth. So there's the tuck box. I guess I really like that card. Gee, I wonder why. Okay, and then we have fold out. So a little bit about the deck, how to use the cards, and a little bit about how to interpret them. And then some keywords and phrases for each one of the cards, which I'm not going to look at because I don't want to ruin it. We have story cards on the back. And that's one thing that as you will probably all know from watching my videos, I'm not a huge fan of having the name of the deck on the back. I get why it's done in a way, but I'm just not a fan of. I think it deters from the beautiful, like that design on the back is so beautiful. But personal choice. Oh my god, these cards. Okay, so Sunshine Girl. Fierce. The Artist. Wildflower. Queen. Princess of the Borderland. Visionary. Reminds me of a book I'm reading that's there. Explorer. These are so pretty. Surfer. Cyclist. Thinker. Nature Boy. King. Mystic. Neighbor. Oh, I love that. Dreamer. Nurture. Balance. Yep, certainly need some balance to do that. Gratitude. One of my favourite words ever. Communion. Soulfulness. So the cards are standard tarot size, magic. It's beautiful. And the card stock is, I'd say, 330 GSM. They're not, well, it could be 350. They're nice beauty. I really love that. They're a beautiful, they are a nice cardstock. Healing. Self-reliance. How's the Serenity? Serenity. It's a famous line in an Australian movie for those of you who did not get that. Box of Rain. It's interesting. I like that a lot. Travel. Metamorphosis. Gorgeous. Trust. Setting sail. Excuse me, setting sail. Serendipity. Oh man, I love those swing rides. So much fun. Adoration. Yes. Waiting. Longing. Kindred. Frozen. Release. Wisdom. Beautiful owl. Storyteller. Called. I really like that. Reminds me of the Judgment card in the tarot, being called to service or called to by spirit, called to something. Loss. Union. Mother. Beginnings. love, oh, that's so beautiful. The fox, home, love and music, meditation, confidence, uncertainty, rising, well-being, friendship, intuition, unity, work, I used to work in many cities like that. Seeking, oh, I love that card. I do love the ocean a lot. Opportunity, rooted, faith, so beautiful, flow, really love the artwork, growth, duality, joy, giving, solitude, crossing. So that's all of the cards, and then we have an extra card that has the story spread. So a little bit like the Celtic Cross. So the main issue of the character, conflict, past, present, future, resolution. Now we're going to see how this shuffles beautifully. And I will put a link for where you can go and support this beautiful indie deck. We've got magic. And support an independent artist and an independent deck designer. And thank you so much, as always, for watching.